Easy motion is the fastest, easiest, and most cost-effective way to automate motion for R&D and manufacturing teams. Requiring absolutely no programming experience, its key advantage is the hyper-intuitive drag-and-drop software interface. Simple enough for a novice, yet powerful enough for demanding industrial tasks, you'll be running your first automated motion sequence in less than 20 minutes. We've also eliminated the hours spent sourcing and wiring together components like power supplies, terminal blocks, and solenoid valves. Our pre-integrated industrial control boxes support electric motors, pneumatic actuators, sensors, and other field devices for a seamless plug-and-play experience. Democratizing automation for non-programmers, Easy Motion replaces complex control systems that few team members know how to use. Say goodbye to waiting on overburdened internal controls engineers or paying premium rates for external help. Now anyone on your team can create and refine automated motion in a fraction of the time it takes even a seasoned PLC programmer. Whether you're automating R&D processes, conducting cycle testing, or developing new manufacturing workflows, Easy Motion lets you skip the low-value busy work and achieve results 10 times faster. Focus on innovation, not setup. Get started today with Easy Motion, revolutionizing automation for R&D and manufacturing teams.